Look at all the cheese. It goes on forever, dude. Alright everybody, it's the last time we will see the Alps, you said? I know, me too. They're so, I mean, especially right now, I mean, look at them. Beautiful. Just absolutely gorgeous. Just ignore the pole in the middle. So we're going down to Interlaken to go catch a train and then a bus, I believe, to go to the little town of Gruyères. French speaking, and they make cheese. So we're gonna go to a cheese factory. Should be a lot warmer. I think it's supposed to be like at least 12 degrees warmer down there. So that'll be nice. As I'm prepared for it, Kyle's prepared for winter. We're going to Berlin. Just kidding, no, we're going to Bern. We just got off the train from Interlaken and we're here in Bern. It's gonna be our first big city we've been to here in Switzerland, so that's kind of cool. Well, I guess we've been Zurich for like half a second, but we're actually gonna explore around, but we're gonna go to Gruyères first. So we're gonna drop our luggage off at the hotel and then we'll go back and jump on a train and go to another place. But we'll come explore Bern later today and tomorrow, so. But it looks kind of cool. Pretty neat. Alright, here's our hotel for the night. Hotel National Bern. Right in front of the park. Alright, we've checked in. We're gonna go check in our room. 510, let's go find it. Here we are, 510. Right in the shingling. Little baby room. The bathroom is on the other side, right there. Alright, Kyle, you're going to show us the old elevator.
Well, it's about 100 years old.
You said over 120 years old?
You push this button, the lights turn on. You open the door. Get inside.
Okay, there's a nice little chair in here if you want. I'll sit on the chair, please.
It's a little cozy.
Thank you. You shut the door.
Got to close the door. And then push the button. Actually, it's probably the other button, but...
And you go down. Bougie. Like, have you ever seen so many bikes? It's so cool. It's everything. Look at the clock tower. That's sick. Look at all those pastries. Look at all those macaroons over there. Oh man. All the shops here. There's a lot of shops around here. Lots of them very high end. Like you go down like an alleyway. Kind of cool. Looking for a few things. Have yet to spy them yet. Just kidding. I just found one of them. A chocolate store. That's their Capitol building, I think. Dude, look at this place. The Capitol building's sick. You got a little terrace out here. And some strawberries, cherries, peaches.
Here we have olives, some tomatoes.
Oh, mozzarella now.
Yeah. Now these are olives, Caden. You need to try some of these.
Yeah, dude.
You will die.
Look at all the olives. Wow. Jeez, those are good. Look at the squid. That sound. Is it not on every movie that it takes place in Europe?
Yes.
It's definitely the biggest train station we've been in, I think. Well, as far as I can tell. Note to self, if you see the bear, the little bear in the symbol, it's the children's car. There's a play area on top, and it's kind of loud, so don't sit there unless you have children. drama for the vlog. We're lost again. We're here in some French town, Gruyères or something like that, trying to get to Gruyères. But apparently the train is under construction, so it doesn't go all the way to Gruyères. So we have to take a bus there. We're like, where the heck is the bus stop? So we have no idea. We're just walking around. Idiots. Okay, update. I think we found the number. Just everything's in freaking French here, so we're like, he speaks Italian. I can do a little bit of German. The French were both screwed. We have no idea what the heck is going on. So, but we found number 17 finally over here on the stops. We went the completely wrong direction off the train stop to another side, and so we now have to wait for the next bus on number 17. So at least we found it, right? We asked the bus driver, and this all in French was like, blah, 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 blah. So we got here, but the bus doesn't leave for like another 40 minutes, 45 minutes, because the freaking train gave us 3 minutes to go from here to the bus stop, and we took the wrong direction, and now
we just followed the crowd. And
we just followed the crowd because everything is all like in French, and then there was no signage really, so we're like, I don't know where we're going, and I'm hungry, I need food. We're stuck in this French town. I don't know what's going on.
She's in here.
Yeah, pastries. There's like a castle behind us. That's cool. French, speak French, Kyler. There's no.
I don't speak French.
No idea. Look at all those stuff here. French butter bowls. He's trying to order something over there, and he's like, "Is it Creamfield?" And she's like, "Da, da, da, da."
Did not understand.
Just grab something, and then whatever it is, just eat it. That's what I do.
The French roulette.
Yes, I just grab, because it looks like, you know, cookies and chocolate. I'm like, hey, fine, that'll be fine. We're kind of struggling here. We don't know, we don't understand much. And this is not a touristy section, so no one speaks English. Well, I just think my chocolate and Kyler's happy. His was filled with something. What is it? Filled with?
It's like a yellow cream.
Yep, after our language barrier. I'm just like, all sign language. Good thing sign language and body language is universal. Update, we made it on the bus. Halo. We have made it to Gruyères, where lots of cheese is made. We already had some of its cheese, and it's freaking good. Restaurant. Oh, cool.
We got some fondue.
Look at all the cheese. It goes on forever, dude.
It just ages here. See the mold on it?
Yeah. Should we sign up for the tour? Should we go on the tour? Or do you just want to look at this instead?
I want to do the tour.
Let's go sign up for a tour. I think they give you cheese to taste in the tour. Okay, so we're on our cheese tour. Like, they gave us little samples of, let's see, 6 months, 8 months, and 10 months aged cheese. Listening to the thing.
Hello.
Hello there. Smelling all the flowers, kinda. Here's the factory where they make the cheese. Alright, we're gonna try the cheese. 6 months. Very good. Alright, next. So chicken roll. 8 months. A little different. The 10-month cheese. Definitely tastes the best. Ooh.
That's the one that just sticks to the
Good.
palate.
45 of the world's cheese is made in Switzerland. Out of all the world combined, 45% Switzerland. And only like 10% in the US. 1% Italy. Probably Parmesan. Here we go. Always putting freaking castles on hills. Still climbing. Up to the wall. The view though. And here's the castle wall and the front gate. This is sick. Stop snapping, Kyla. This is cool. Never been inside a medieval castle before. This is sick. This place is cool. This is a cool little town. All they have, we're really hungry, so we're trying to eat something. But a lot of places just have fondue. And you guys remember the other vlog, we had fondue. We were super happy. We're like, dang, fondue, yes, love it. Mmm.
Is that good?
That's good. It really is only good until like you get to like bite number 5, and then it gets really old really fast, in my opinion. We're not really up to the fondue anymore. We kind of want something else. Going up into the higher, leaving the little town. Look at the alien. Alright, so those aliens are very out of place, but what the heck. Let's go to the castle. To the castle. Look at that. Look at the walls. Pretty up here now. Sir Lancelot. Look at that. We're in the castle. Whoa, let's go over there.
That's alright. I need a box.
Hey!
Or would you like me
Hey, you down there? Cool little castle here. Their view. Little town. Let's go look at the church. Old church.
I'm sure you could halo in here.
Look at these people. Look at this. Look at the courtyard. Oh, there's a lot of kids there. Up the steps. Really go bad. Some gardens.
Queen Guardian. Oh, this is a good place.
I don't think we can go out there, but look at the gardens. Pretty. Nice trimmed hedges. Be like, hey! Hey! Just goes to the end and they go all the way back.
And then you just, if you're here with your loved one, you just sit here and you just mac out.
Mac out. Got the little courtyard. Here we go. The kitchen, the royal kitchens. Fireplace. Kitchen.
They walked up.
That's a huge freaking fireplace. Damn. Alright, let's go up the stairs.
Oh yeah.
Some cool stuff. Go around the horses. Got the knights. Let's keep going up.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
That is beautiful.
Oh whoa.
We got a wheelchair for the old. Another fireplace.
It's a little more modern. I don't know, maybe it's old. That's cool though. It's a very fancy room.
That's a nice place.
Oh, it's a bed. Another big fireplace. The fireplaces are huge. Stained glass.
Dude, this is all wood. Is that crazy?
Look the detail in it, dude. Insane. Original stuff before they, what it looks like behind me. Crazy. The dining hall.
This is out there and it looks real.
Is this hand real, like a mummy? It's kind of nasty.
That is really nasty.
This is a It's like a legend of like a hand here, and they say that like during the crusade in 1099, they went to the Holy Land and brought back this hand, and they thought it was like a talisman or a relic. That's the castle. What else have we got in here? More modern art. Love it. Nice piano in here. It's a cool room. We're getting to like a little Renaissance era. Bedroom. Some beds.
Oh my goodness.
The best room. Oh, the trophy room. Oh yeah, dude, this is. Oh, whoa! That's a big deer.
Yeah, it is.
Jeez.
This is a big one too. It's got a bed.
Oh yeah, huh? Oh, here's the seat for. Oh, this is a cool room. Lots of cool paintings on these. Fine china. Then we got cannons. Fire! All that is fire, fire. And then here's the courtyard at the bottom where we were.